We had a lot of things happening this week. First one is that we announced an exciting partnership with Fox Sports, where Fox Sports has chosen us to help them with video discovery for basically everything that Fox Sports is doing with some new initiatives on the mobile side. Really neat application, great opportunity, adding another content provider to our list of those that provide us content that we then create data for our discovery. Another announcement we made this week was with Gracenote. Gracenote selected Digitalsmiths in a partnership, so we're now strategically aligned, and they're going to be integrating our seamless discovery product into their IQ and Entourage products. So we will be their preferred video discovery vendor and partner, and pre-built into all of their products. And we will also be using their ACR, their automated content recognition, into our products. So we're looking forward to that happening. So when we think about metadata in the video discovery space, to us, everything starts with the data. If you have a great algorithm and you say it's a search or a recommendation, if you don't understand how to manage data and how to maybe create data, if you don't have your own data, your algorithm sort of may not even be able to run. It may make no difference. It's kind of like building a car and saying, I've built the best car, but I forgot to ever put any gas in it, so I'm not sure if it's actually going to work. So for us, metadata is really that fuel that powers a deep, very meaningful, very personalized video discovery experience. So Digitalsmiths has always had a very close relationship with data. We have a lot of data partners, and we have one of the largest databases of movie and TV data in the world. One other thing I might add is that in the last week, we announced our business rules engine. And this is really a unique thing for service providers, whether it's cable, satellite, telco, over-the-top, CE manufacturers, to be able to come in and say, it's great that the recommendations work XYZ or the search results are ABC, but what if I want to influence that as the provider of that service? So I can influence that in terms of sponsored content, filtering out content that might not be appropriate for certain geographies or for ages, any number of things that you could possibly think of. Very robust tool to help you tie the monetization of the content to the consumption of the content, and then you can report on all of that and see how it's performing. I'd love to say that in a few months we'll no longer have to use a grid. Those horrible grids are terrible, but having said that, I think grids do serve a purpose. I think what we're going to see is a more and more emphasis put on personalized content within the cable, satellite, telco space particularly. CE manufacturers, I'm sure, around CES are going to be making announcements of all of their efforts. So the world of how you find your content is going to hopefully get back to being lean back, how it used to be, how TV was meant to be consumed, and much more personalized.